The fascinating history of pizza. Pizza, the ultimate comfort food. But have you ever wondered where this delicious dish came from? Let's dive into the fascinating history of pizza. 1. Ancient roots. The concept of flatbreads with toppings dates back to ancient times. The ancient Greeks, Romans, and Egyptians all enjoyed flatbreads topped with olive oil, herbs, and other ingredients. 2. Naples, the birthplace. But the modern version of pizza as we know it today originated in Naples, Italy in the 18th century. Before then, flatbreads were cooked in wood-fired ovens and topped with ingredients like olive oil, garlic, and anchovies. 3. Raffaele Esposito, the pizza pioneer. In 1889, a Neapolitan baker named Raffaele Esposito created a pizza topped with tomato sauce, mozzarella cheese, and basil for Queen Margherita of Savoy. This iconic pizza was named Pizza Margherita in her honor. 4. Global phenomenon. From Naples to the world, pizza has evolved into a global phenomenon. With various toppings, crust styles, and cooking techniques, pizza has become a staple in many cultures. And that's the story of how pizza came to be. From ancient roots to global phenomenon, pizza has captured our hearts and taste buds. Subscribe for more foodie adventures and historical explorations. I send love and light your way.